answering that one. Oh, crap. I'm good.
Sorry.
Moving.
I'll be fine. Hey, did you too hard today?
Nope. It's not that heavy of a hammer. I'm not using a sledgehammer for this. There's a lighter.
Just try the next one over?
Nah. We'll get back up. I don't have to fight it as much. Oh, it's nice that we're not in Florida, eh?
Oh, yeah.
See some of the carbon actually bubbling up in the cylinder.
Alright, I'll try not to hit you this time.
Hold on for a second. Okay. We're probably going to have to heat it up.
We're not going, huh?
Not yet. Some more
Persuading.
stuff into it. Oh dear, I'm hurting the paint.
Oh, no!
You just can't buy paint like that from the store.
No, oh, you're making the spiders come out too.
Who knows how long they've been in there. Well, that's a pretty big wolf spider. Don't kill him on camera.
I'm just killing them, I'm just chasing them.
Oh boy. I'm not even aiming for that thing.
Good grief, I hope that doesn't burst into flames.
That'd be funny. Well, I can tell you it's hot now. I'm good. For a second. Okay.
Did that
You can go. No, I'm just repositioning my hand.
Let go?
No, I was just didn't let go yet. Let's try the other way and see what happens.
Hey, what in the world are you doing, son?
I took a day off.
Huh?
Let's try it.
Took today off.
Oh, did you take
I'll
that
actually
off?
move it a little bit. Or that's just the socket settling in. Yeah, the actual stud's twisting out a little bit. So let's heat it up some more. It would be the one I put on camera is going to be the harder ones, eh? Might need to try the bigger hammer, get more shock on it. Oh, yep, it's catching on fire now.
I think this is big enough.
Can't get the head off, huh?
Oh, the bolts.
We're getting there.
It fired, it ran a little bit.
Huh?
I said it fired and ran a little bit.
I didn't hear what you said. With that thing running, I can't hear.
I said it ran a little bit.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, no, I don't want to use that.
No, you might as well because then we get more shock force on it. Don't have to hit it as fast.
Actually, this is heavier.
Okay. It bounced off of the bolt. It's moving. Okay, I think I got it. Woohoo! Yay!
See if the next one moves. We might have lucky.
Maybe. No, I felt the stud flex, but no, it's binding up on the threads.
Okay.
You know,
Boy,
you
hey.
feel that tension on the stud itself. So gotta keep doing this. Hey, it's working.
It's working.
We got
two
1,
more.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 victories so far
We
with
got
this
2 more to
trick.
go.
Hey, at least it won't cost as much money to have them drilled and tapped if we had to have that done.
Oh, that's a mess.
Trying to avoid that mess.
That thing probably hasn't been apart in years.
25 years it's been sitting, at least.
Yeah.
And it supposedly ran when it was taken off. But it's been sitting outside at some point because it had some water in many different places.
Yeah.
Alright, put all the heat over here on this. And watch the spider come out then.
Flames actually come like all the way to this blower cover. It's going right across the whole
Oh,
thing.
I should be chasing him right out of there now. He must have went down in there pretty deep.
I'm sure he ran away pretty good.
I see that valve open.
Yeah, that's stuck. Or no. Oh no! I didn't put any pressure.
Uh-oh.
Oh man, it actually rusted right down to the center of the thing.
Look at that. Well, one's not bad.
Wow, that was already strained to be before we even messed with it.
Yeah.
I didn't put any force on that at all.
Okay, well, you get them like that sometimes.
Hey, one out of how many?
Yeah. Don't talk yet.
Nope.
Did I get you?
Nope, I'm good.
Look at that.
So one bolt.
Well, that's not bad for what we were dealing with there.
No, not at all. We got the whole mess on camera. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out. Isn't that bad? 1 out of 8
Nope.
that were stuck. And that one snapped like it was nothing. It would be nice if it was a grade 8, but
Yeah, I saw you didn't even put any pressure on it.
no, I didn't even move the block.
It just went snap.
Boy, we used to have that when I started in the garage on the Ford V8s.
Flathead V8s, yeah.
They put steel block with aluminum head.
That doesn't do anything.
Huh?
That doesn't hurt anything. What was wrong?
The bolts, couldn't get the bolts out.
What, the ones that were in the water jacket, you mean?
Well, a lot of them wouldn't come out. And you'd break them off. Then you'd have to drill and, it was a mess.
I could do that myself if I had to. I don't think it broke off in the block.
No.
This one actually tightened back up.
So did you get the doggy fixed up?
Yeah, allergy.
Is it?
She got a shot, so.
How about that?
Now, what to use to grab that? I think I'm going to put the spark plugs back in and lift it up by that.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Since they're still cool.
Have you ever heard of Northern States spark plugs?
A what?
Northern States spark plugs.
No.
Well, there's a pair. Hey, look at that.
There it is.
There's all kinds of crap in there. That head needed to come off anyway.
Not in the cylinder, I hope.
No.
Oh dear.
I don't know if you're
Yeah,
gonna.
you can see the head gasket was actually rusting from the water.
I don't know if you'll be able to get away with reusing that or not.
And I put a little spit shine on her and some elbow grease, maybe some silicone. All the things you're not supposed to do with head gasket. It might be fun.
Spray it with the copper stuff, like I use on the metal
Yeah.
ones. That'll work. Look at those valves; look pretty good.
Yeah, you see what I mean by the one was an exhaust on the intake?
Mm-hmm.
That's EX, that's EX. So someone's been in this engine, that's an EX. That one I can't see. Yeah, that's an EX too. So I'm wondering if someone might have been in this engine, or maybe they just put exhaust valves in because they were harder.
I don't know. They're all the same size, I
There's
guess.
quite a bit of room for a
obviously.
bigger valve in there. Maybe do some porting? I don't know. Oh, that's just beautiful, man.
Oh, look at that.
That's real nice.
I can't believe the pistons wasn't froze fast, huh?
No, we actually had it running on the one cylinder. I can't even crank this thing over top dead center, from bottom dead center to top dead center, because the compression was so good on the one.
And that's just one. Imagine
I have to go at 90 degrees and then crank it over in order to start it.
Can you imagine how much compression it's going to have when you're on both?
It's going to be the same, it's just every revolution.
Well, I know that, but I'm saying it's going to be harder yet.
Yeah, because you got to fight it to get into the right spot. No, it should return to bottom dead center every time, just about. It's in there. Oh, just a bunch of junk. So what's the Q for?
I don't know.
This is just normal kind of junk you scrape off
Mm-hmm.
every 200 hours or so. All in all, the engine's actually pretty clean.
Not bad.
I mean, this cylinder hasn't fired, and this is all untouched, and there's still not a whole lot of junk in there.
That valve unstuck and you're in good shape.
This one's not very pretty. It looks like it might have been burned some oil.
I gotta find out what's going on. I need to get this trailer and get moving.
Cylinders look perfect. Still warm.
How
Don't go
big,
sticking your
how
finger
big
in
a
there.
ridge? You got any ridge in it?
No, I don't see anything in there.
No ridge?
Nope.
That's good. That's then it's
It's a
hasn't been
polished
run too-
cylinder. Could use some honing.
Yeah, right.
I think I already have the rags out there.
As long as you don't have no ridge and have to put oversized pistons in it.
I don't know.
There's 80.
Yeah, she's
A little tight.
a little.
Yeah, you should start putting some kerosene. Put kerosene in there. Let it sit. I don't know. I don't care. Whatever.
You know, I'd probably knock that loose is that impact chisel.
I don't
Put
know.
right in the center of it.
You got to be real careful.
I know, because you could pound out the guide.
I would put kerosene or something of the sort in there and
Yep.
let it soak a day or two.